I'm good. You're going to?
I'm going with you. Yeah, we're together.
Okay.
Together. Yeah.
Oh, now I'm a little. But what happened is that I have seen back in Mexico the oil spill from companies in the ocean, and the stings and the damage. You know that like what this happened in a place called Utalco. I was there, and we took which is a tourist resort, and so anyways we went to we rented out a boat and went into the ocean to looking for islands, and all of a sudden we smell this awful smell, and we thought, what is that? And next you know, we all see this big, huge oil spill in the ocean. In the ocean, there was a big. I had never seen this before, but it's sad.
Yeah.
Really sad because I felt for the animals, right?
Right.
So in the ocean. So it was just a big, huge blanket, you know. And this oil and crude oil stinks, right?
I bet.
So anyways, I just felt like this is not right. You know, this is not right for companies to go in there and explode, and they not, and the regulations are not well established because corruption and so forth, you see. And so I thought this is not right for the peoples that they living for about you know, they're making a living with the fishery and so forth.
Yep.
And that resort is a habitat for turtles as well.
Yes.
You see, and there are a lot of biologists. It goes on studies. It goes on around there, and so it just made me wonder that the greediness of men.
Yeah.
You see, why cannot the government cannot develop, and those big corporations that they are greedy, and why cannot they just thinking something else instead?
Yes.
And so I'm thinking we're destroying our own world.
Yes.
You see, we're destroying the things for our children because greediness. That's the bottom line. That's what it is.
Yes.
You know. Now, why can our government cannot do something for in that regarding, and instead of going along with those the companies because the tax money.
Exactly.
You see.
Yep.
They do. I don't think they doing what is right.
I agree.
You see. So.